Santa Fe prison riot took place in 1980 on February 2nd and lasted until the next day. It was one of the most violent prison riots in the history of American correctional systems, which had 33 inmates killed and more than 200 inmates treated for injuries. There may have been more deaths, but many of the bodies were incinerated or dismembered during the riot. During the riot, there were 12 officers taken as hostages. None were killed, but they were all treated for injuries caused by beatings and rapes. The outbreak occurred when rioters were trying to take the prison. The inmates housed in open dorms while their cells were under construction, and then they took down 2 officers. Within minutes, they made their way to the prison's central office. Inside the central office were keys to all the prison cells inside the penitentiary. Within hours, 12 officers were taken hostage, fire started raging through some parts of the prison, and protective custody inmates became targets. With me, I have Bob White, a New Mexico Corrections Department retiree, who describes the life of the inmates during the riot.
This unit in 1980, as I said, it was protective custody. There are 90 cells in this cell block. And at that time, there could be over 200 people in here, which means in a number of these cells, there were 3 people in a 6x9 cell that already had a double bunk, a toilet, and a sink in it. They were very overcrowded. The inmates, after the control center was taken, and they got a hold of the acetylene torches from the construction that was being done in cell block 5, they cut their way into this block and then cut open the grill boxes. You see there the controls for the grill, and started opening all the cell doors.